What is good, guys? It is July 5th, 2026. This is Sunday. Taking a look. We took a look at Asia session tonight. I'm going to start taking looks at Asia sessions when I can, as well as I am going to start risking more on my evals and then drop the risk. I've kind of been in eval jail for a while, and I've learned that the best way to get out of that is to risk heavy with pristine confidence. Because I know who I am. I know that I have crazy potential. I know what I can do, but my mind gets in the way of my trading. So we're going to eliminate that. So here we go. So Sunday open was really weird. We had this really fat candle. I'm assuming it's a data wick. Didn't quite look at it. But I did treat it like a data wick in my trade. So Sunday open, created this wick, came lower, swept some LRL, and then this would have been a nice trade to the data wick, but I obviously didn't catch that. Okay, we swept this high. At this point, I want to see shorts because the 1 hour, I wanted to see some sort of bearish retracement, and we are inside of a 1 hour gap. This is old. And I honestly want to see it come much lower within the next 24 hours. Excuse me, that is a timer on my phone. Anyways, we sweep this high. I didn't quite get the reaction that I wanted at all. And then we did create an SMT at this high on ES. Now, I didn't quite take this SMT, but if we take a look at the 1 minute, okay, I am looking. Sorry, let me go on NASDAQ. Okay, so if we go on the 1 minute, right, I wanted to see two things: some sort of remanipulation, and then I wanted to see ES get put in a spot of distribution. Just so you guys know, I did take a loss trying to get this with 5 MNQs. It was only like literally $100. Um, but anyways, I wanted to see after we swept these highs on MNQ. I was still bearish, but I wanted to see ES. Well, number one, I wanted to see true manipulation criteria, which we got here. After pumping, I wanted to see some sellers get stopped out before continuing lower. So we got a resweep. We got the true manipulation criteria. And then, of course, we had an SMT. But I only want to use this SMT if we get put in a spot of distribution on ES. And then ES came here, swept this wick. So now ES is in a spot of distribution. And then we had an SMT, another SMT with ES from here. I believe it was that one. Yes. No, it was from this one, I believe. But anyways, we had a bearish SMT along with getting true manipulation criteria, and I didn't quite take an inverse here because I didn't really believe we needed an inverse. This volatility kicked in because the Asia session opened, and like I said, I wanted to see this go much lower, but I'm not going to target that because number one, I wanted to get my profits, and number two, I risked pretty heavy, so I still made a solid amount of profit on this to get my eval out of drawdown, about a 60-point trade. So yeah, I'm ready for Monday. Probably won't be risking too much tomorrow just because of the fact that I made a decent amount tonight. But yeah, this trade was pretty nice in my opinion. We took out, of course, this high, and then we had true manipulation criteria on the lower time frame, along with ES reaching a spot of distribution, as well as forming a bearish SMT on the Nasdaq. And then yeah, I liked it. I liked it a lot. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I wasn't right here. Yeah. So very nice trade. I'm very happy with it, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Trade recap will probably come out at night because I'll be trading and then going to work and then whatever. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Thank you for watching, and peace.